Everyone, welcome for today's video. In today's video we're gonna try to discuss about how to become a successful person. For becoming to be a successful person, we have to be take a becoming to be a disciplined person. For example, if you ask for every person who becoming to be the successful, they always tell that they always try, or they always becoming to be the disciplined person, because the discipline are the top point that the people can or the thing that the people or the person who get more self motivated and doing the type of work that he had no interest, then after he can find the time, and after then he records or doing the type of works that they have, so that how to becoming disciplined. Today's topic was to the sorry the discipline, because we have to make ourselves to becoming a very much disciplined person. For making discipline, you have to remember for something that for how you becoming to be disciplined for your studies, for your job, for your career. Becoming to be disciplined person, you have to be might focusing upon yourself, that where could and for which purpose I becoming to be the discipline. For any purpose, like suppose that a student who wants to score a good exam marks in the examination, because for taking the good marks into the examination, he have to take a decision that to become a discipline and consistent toward his job. For that, he has to make the good marks for themselves or for himself, so that he can grow into his life for becoming to be the type of person of scoring the good marks and becoming to be the part of the 1% into the criteria. For example, every student in the class of let's suppose that 100 students in the class, every can study, but the rank 1 was coming for, or rank 10 was coming from those people, those children who were study lot and make a discipline chart for themselves and studying a lot. So that how the power of discipline work with ourselves. And another point is that becoming to be consistent. If you are consistent and not maintaining the discipline for yourself, let's suppose that a person who was continue toward his job, for example like as athlete, but he was not upgrading his skills into the job of discipline. For example, he was just too consistent to showing the consistency to go for the warm up and nothing extraordinary thing that he can do. Let's suppose for an example that our children, two type of children, they go for a tuition classes for learning and readings. But after the time that a children gets a rank 1, but another children gets a rank lesser than that than the children, like suppose the marks will be lesser than the rank will be of 25. So that how, why the difference will be created? The only thing is that into the discipline and the type of work they, and the type of sorry, discipline or consistency they maintain. For example, consistency sometimes doesn't matter, because both student goes to the tuition classes, but both the student was not trying to not reading the books. Only the single children read the book and getting learn something about from the class, and doing regular practices and doing the homeworks. After that, he can make himself to be the self improvement and self growing person for himself or for his life. So that how it could be so much important to becoming to be the growth into his life. And coming to the another point, that how we can also becoming to be the part of, because everyone not or no everyone can make themselves to becoming to be the type of person to be rank 1 type person. But how we can also becoming to be the type of person to be like suppose a 1% chance to get a such type of mentality. But only thing is that we have to take a consistency about our job, and take a full discussion or full approach for our job, so that you can approach it the type of information that you have, and the skill that you wanted to grab it, and the anything that you can want it in your life. So that how it could be very much important to your life. Always set a goal and do it for yourself, and always self motivated doing better in your life. So that this is for today's video. Hope this video will be helping for you, and we will meet into the tomorrow's video. Bye bye.